Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Grand Theft Auto 5 story mode. Selling vehicles is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash for your characters. You can sell most cars you find or steal, but there are a few exceptions. Just drive into any Los Santos Customs shop, select the sell option, and you'll get a quick payout. It's a straightforward process that can significantly boost your in-game finances. Not every car can be sold, so keep an eye out for those special vehicles that are off-limits. For instance, emergency vehicles or certain high-value cars cannot be sold at Los Santos Customs. Also, if you've just stolen a car, you'll need to wait about 48 in-game minutes before you can sell it again. The amount you receive varies greatly, from a few $100s for a beat-up sedan to tens of thousands for a luxury sports car. To get the most money, always try to sell cars that are in pristine condition. Even minor dents can reduce the selling price by a significant amount, sometimes by several $100s. Also, the game has a system where selling the same car model too often will temporarily decrease its value. So, diversify your sales. Look for those expensive sports cars and SUVs. They generally fetch the best prices at Los Santos Customs. While selling cars is a good income stream, remember there are many other ways to make money in Grand Theft Auto 5. Story missions often provide large payouts, and investing in the stock market can yield massive returns if done correctly. Don't forget about robbing stores or armored trucks for quick cash boosts. Combining these methods will ensure your characters are always flush with cash for all their in-game needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.